Teacher, my name is D. Andra. I'm studying in third grade. Today, I'm going to explain the payasam. The recipe we need in payasam was sugar, milk maid, water, ilachi, dry fruits, semia, milk. First, we should on the stove. After till the water boils, we should wait. After boiling the water, we should add some semia. We should
Mix.
mix the semia till it boils. After boiling the semia, we should add some milk. After we wear the mix and we should mix. After the milk boils, we should add a cup of sugar. Until it melts, we should mix. The sugar was melted, we should add some milk maid. We wear the milk maid after. We should mix. After, we should wear dry fruits. After, we should wear ilachi powder. And mix it until it boils. After it boils, we should off the gas. Now the semia is ready. Thank you, teacher.
ఎలా ఉంది జాయ్? ఎలా ఉంది చెప్పు.